ingredients to make sure it's smooth. I'm going to be adding it to my Chile Verde, and it's going to make, you want to make sure that it's nice and green. You want to add some peppers to it, you can, or you can add some salsa. I make the best salsa. So, I'm just saying, I had great teachers. My mother, my grandma, and so many other people who really know the Mexican heritage that have been in the kitchen with their grandma, their parents, and certain techniques. I'm just saying, you can watch it on, but until you're there, I think it was Benjamin Franklin that said something like, show me, and then teach me, and then involve me. So, there's just a difference when you're in that element. And sometimes I do feel like I'm in my element when I'm making this kind of food, because it brings so many wonderful memories with my parents, my mother, and my mom and their family. So, and then other families that I see, so I can easily connect, because I've just, what can I say? That's just the way it is. You got to be in it. You got to be involved in it, so you can get that that flavor, those flavors, and you'll know what the palate. And having rhinosinusitis really helps, which means it opens up. You have a good sense of smell, which contributes to the taste. And if you have a rhinosinusitis, then I would urge you to become a chef. Just saying. Alrighty. Alright, I'm going to finish this.